What will win in a drag race between a Kia EV6 GT and the Kia EV6 GT lookalike, also known as a Ferrari Purosangue? Well, we're going to find out because I'm going to race them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson and you're watching Carwow. Let me tell you about this Kia. So we've got a motor on the front axle, one on the rear. Combined, they deliver in launch control mode 640 horsepower, which is more than the previous Kia EV6 GT. You've also got 770 newton meters of torque, so it's pretty impressive, especially when you consider this thing costs £60,000. That's a lot of bang for your buck. It's quite heavy though because of the batteries, weighs in at 2.2 tons. Now let's find out about the Ferrari, if I can just find my radio. I don't know where my radio is.
Sorry.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Can you tell me about your Ferrari?
This is, I don't know why I'm shouting. This is our Ferrari Purosangue with a 6.5 litre naturally aspirated V12 engine. The same engine that's in the 812 Superfast, just slightly detuned. It puts out 600.
Sorry, I forgot. I was just trying to see if my radio was in the car. I left it on the table over there, but I interrupted your flow. Sorry, Tommy.
It's got a 6.5 litre naturally aspirated V12 putting out 700 horsepower. It has 716 newton meters of torque, and it also has two gearboxes.
Do you think our cars look a little bit the same?
Stop. Stop. No, they do not.
They sort of do look a little bit the same though, don't they?
Yours looks like the incest version of this car, maybe. I
think this was out first. Do you reckon they copied this design a little bit for that car?
I don't think they look anything alike.
But they do look a little bit the same though, don't they?
You know what, fine. If that's what you think, I don't think they look alike. This has Italian je ne sais quoi, and that looks good. It looks good. It just doesn't look like this.
Anyway, sorry, I interrupted you, carry on.
Like I was saying, the car has two gearboxes, one on the front axle, one on the rear. The front axle only works up to about 95 miles an hour. From there, it's rear wheel drive only and has a really cool trick suspension system, but that's enough for me.
You know more than you used to. Before you used to just plead ignorance, you were all yanny about stuff, but now you've got information to share with the viewers.
You know, I've always had this information, it's just I don't want to overwhelm people because I'll talk for days.
Okay, right, so shall we do a sound check? Because my car can do revs, right? It can like simulate an automatic gearbox with paddle shift. So listen to this. I don't know if you can hear this.
I can hear it.
That's my soft limiter at 6,500 RPM.
Why does it have a soft limiter?
Well, it could rev all the way to 8, but they don't want you doing that because you could damage the internals of the fake combustion engine.
Got it.
Yours revs all the way to 8.5 or something, doesn't it?
The Ferrari flywheel is so small that it revs so quickly. I love that.
Do you reckon it revs quicker than the ST, 911 ST?
I'm not sure, probably not. 911 STs are lighter parts, they're probably smaller engine.
Right, so that's that bit. Shall we get on with the drag racing? Oh, before we do, if you want to see how much money you can save on one of these through Carwow, right? I've configured one, so you can see what spec I've gone for and the saving through Carwow just by clicking on the pop-out banner or scan the QR code on screen now. Right, let's go on with the race. Oh, there's a link in the description too. Bye.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my goodness, cooked. Very cooked. Electric power.
Oh, that's embarrassing, man. Do you know what, Tommy? These cars don't look alike, you're right. Mine looks faster.
Yes, it looks much faster. That shot off the line.
What happened? Because I'm sure that's been faster than that before.
Tyres are cold, so we'll try again.
Hopefully Tommy can do better this time. Oh, he got me on the line, maybe. Oh, it's going to be close, this one.
That's a better launch. That Kia's got no gears.
No? What is wrong with his car?
embarrassing. I sound nice.
What's wrong with your car?
It's not electric.
No, I'm sure it was faster before.
I don't know. I left the line like the exact same time as you.
I thought, right, I'm done here. Left the line at the same time. He's going to come past me, but you didn't.
Let's try again.
Best 3 out of 5, yeah? Is that what you want?
I don't think I'll win, but I think he should say, are you ready first, then come to me, because I have to put it in launch mode, the car has to drop down and all that stuff.
Yeah, let's do it that way. That's going to make all the difference. Let's definitely do that.
I don't like the sarcasm.
As part of the sales pitch, you're going to say it's almost as quick as a Kia EV6.
I see it's one of those days.
Okay, do you want to get on the line and get beaten one last time?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, he's buggered. Like, literally buggered.
Still the same thing.
Oh, mate, that's embarrassing. That's the worst one yet.
Can't do anything.
I don't really know what to say, because based on previous times in that car, it would be an even matchup, but it's not.
I have no words, and it says high braking temperature, so I'm going to drive.
Mine doesn't say that. Mine's fine.
You have regen braking.
This is fine. It's faster. It's cheaper. It looks the same. Okay, Tommy, I put my car into manual mode. So what this thing does is it mimics an automatic gearbox by limiting the torque of the motor, making it have like this step change feeling. So it's a bit odd, but it might give you a chance because you can't use launch control when you're in this mode, and it doesn't give you full power all of the time in order to be able to give you this kind of step change. Let's run it that way, okay?
See what happens.
I'll tell you what, Tommy, if you win this, let's just say that Ferrari makes faster cars than Kia. Everything else that went before is all forgotten. It didn't really happen. And we can just say, yeah, Ferrari makes quicker cars than Kia.
Thanks, I'm sure they're going to shout with jubilation at the factory.
3, 2, 1.
Oh look, Ferrari's beating a Kia.
Oh, it's definitely faster now. Where is it? Where's the Kia? Oh my god, where is it? Oh, I'm pulling it. Oh.
Oh, well done, Tommy, you won. Your car's quicker.
Thanks, Matt. This felt quicker that time, though, I must say.
You reckon it's quicker?
I think it might be. It felt quicker that time. The launch was smoother.
Come on then, let's do it again. Okay then, Tommy, this is it then. I've gone back into the normal mode with launch control. Winner takes all, okay?
Agreed.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, hello. We are on for a race.
Oh, it was closer though.
Come on, baby, come on. Oh no.
That was way better.
Nah, my Kia's still quicker than your Kia.
Ferrari. But yeah, it's faster, but not fast enough.
It got faster. Ferraris do that. They sort of learn traction control and get better. We did say winner takes all, so there we go. Let's do the thing. So then what exactly happened? Well, the Kia won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 11.4 seconds. The Ferrari took 11.5 seconds. When the Kia was in manual mode without launch control, it did the standing quarter mile in 12.1 seconds. Now we're going to have a rolling race. You're going to go second gear. I've set it to about 40 miles an hour. Race to the half mile. Right, let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, hello.
Come on, Ferrari.
Now he should start to pull back.
There we go. There we go.
V12 power look.
There we go. Yes! Ferrari, just an extra 300 grand.
Do you feel better now, Tommy?
Much better. Just an extra 400 grand gets you that.
That's 400 grand extra well spent. Right, should we do the brake test then?
This is the one I'm scared of.
Brakes on that seems to get hot real quick.
I'm not sure why, it's a bit concerning, but let's see what happens.
Rainway line, full emergency stop. Car to stop in the shortest distance wins. If you'd rather watch another drag race with the Ferrari Purosangue, click on the pop-out button up there and follow the QR code on screen. If not, stay here. We're going to do some brake testing. Come on, Kia.
Yes! Ferrari W! Oh, my brakes are so hot.
Blimey, okay. Easy win, mate, easy win.
Yeah, the ceramics, and then I don't weigh as much as you do.
Not far off, actually. There's not that much of a difference, to tell you the truth, but bigger brakes, better brakes, Ferrari brakes. All the piss taking aside, I do really like the Purosangue. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, give it a like. If you want to watch some other videos, click on the windows. If you want to compare these cars quarter mile times to everything else we've ever drag raced, just click on the carwow logo. Can compare everything ever drag raced. Yeah, there's a lot. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for even more drag racing.